Yo, what is going on, IG fam? So today I am going to be looking at some pairs. Oh, I almost forgot to say YouTube family as well. So welcome back. Andre Money back at it again with another video here. And today there's two main pairs to look at, which is going to be GPUD and GPCAD. I'm both going to be looking for buying positions, but now stop right there and go ahead and smash that like button down below. And also don't forget to click the link in the description so that we could be doing my live trading sessions and catching the sniper entries every single day alongside with all my students in my live trading sessions. So with that being said, let's get ready to rumble and catch a bag. So let's go ahead and get started with the trades that we actually took last night. With GBPUSD, we actually got in for a buy limit activated on today's New York session that got activated that buy limit order. As you can see, we came right to that buy limit order for that second entry. We did come and face some drawdown, which was not that much, maybe just 15 pips drawdown. I mean, that's nothing to compare to the profit we're about to make on this trade for that second entry, which is a total of 105 pips. The first entry, we already secured 88 pips. To now go ahead and hit the last take profit, which is going to be 146 pips, which I am expecting that to hit tonight once London session, already open. So tonight, London session, we should definitely see that move to the upside. Also, New York session, we should continue seeing that rally up. So now let's go ahead and see the other pairs that we got in. Actually, GPJPY, I had a buy limit. This one, I did delete the buy limit on, actually, it was this one that I deleted the buy limit because market wasn't really looking that well. So that one was deleted. Nothing happened on that one. Then we did have GPCHF buy limit. That one also was deleted, as well as GBP CAD. The buy limit that we had was deleted. Currently have a new buy limit, which those are the two pairs that we taking a look at for tonight. So stay tuned. Don't miss out and watch the full video. So let's go ahead and get started with GPUD. On GPUD from daily time frame, if we look at this daily time frame here, we could see how GA, we had currently created a new accumulation price candle here that made this rally to the upside. So all I'm waiting for is for market to come and test this accumulation price candle. Now, yes, if I come in based on the daily time frame, I would get in from the opening, but we don't do that right from the bat. We want to have more confirmations and see what the confirmations we have in lower time frames. So if I come to the forward time frame here, I can start seeing a new accumulation price candle on the forward time frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this to the forward time frame. Boom, right there. There we have it. And also we do have this 4-hour imbalance area that has also need to be filled in, which is this 4-hour imbalance area right here. As you guys can see, we have this imbalance on the 4-hour that has to be filled in, which is right here. Now, breaking down to the 1 hour, we're going to gather more information to have our analysis precise with a better and major precise entry. So here on GA on the 1 hour time frame, we can also actually see how market has to come down and cloud the sell side liquidity that we left here, because where we came and cloud the buy side liquidity. So every time that we cloud buy side or sell side liquidity, magnet is going to react like a magnet, right? So magnet, my bad. Market is going to react like a magnet to liquidity runs. So it's first going to tend to clear either one side or another. In this case, we came and called this buy side liquidity and tested into a commission price candle to give it that push to the downside, which will be their retracement down to come and eliminate the sell side liquidity. After we eliminate sell side liquidity, market is going to push lower to come and fill in the empty gap here, which is this imbalance area, and come and test into the commission price candle here. Now, if we also have that confirmation of our Fibonacci retracement here, you can see how market is going to perfectly align to the 7.9 Fib level, which is a major area where I want to get in for buying opportunities. So with that being said, I do have a buy limit going on there, which I'm risking around 40 pips. That's just to be safe, which my stop loss is always going to be 10 to 15 pips below commission price candle here in this case right there. So we never see that much drawdown. The drawdown always going to tend to be at least max 15 pips. About it. Doesn't be it. If not, it's then profits. And the take profit, we do have it up here on this buy side liquidity that we look right here in the 1 hour time frame, which is our overbought area. Which in overbought areas, what do retail traders do? They get in for sales. So we have a bunch of stop losses going on there that has to be filled in. But right now, we're just going to be waiting for that retracement down. So we should see this trade activate midway London session or either New York open to now start spiking to the upside, and we'll obviously hear a take profit of 122 pips. So if you guys want to get in, here it is. That is my analysis for it, my entry price, my take profit, and my stop loss. So get in and catch a bag. So once you see this video, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get in. So catch that bag. And right here on GPCAD, I'm also going to be looking for buying positions. So it's breaking it down all the way once again from a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, we can see how market has created its false formation pattern, which is this head and shoulder. where retail traders do what? They get in for sales up here. Why? Because obviously we're going to be in an overbought area, and over here we get in for sales as retail traders as well, because they see that right shoulder. So they're tending to get in for sales there. So what market's going to do, it's going to let those retail traders be in profit, which market's going to fill in the empty imbalance we leave behind over here and test into the commission price go down here. So all I'm waiting for is for market to just retrace a bit down to catch a good entry, because right now markets going to keep on spiking to the upside to cloud all that liquidity here. So I mean, I only have one take profit just to, because the market is about to close this week, so I don't want to risk that market open gaps, because you never know how the gaps could open. They're either open to the downside or upside. You never know. So therefore, coming for the 4-hour time frame, I'm starting to see some confirmations here that have this 4-hour imbalance area, and just come into the 1-hour time frame. Well, we see the 1-hour imbalance as well, that we would be waiting for this to be filled in and come and test into its 1-hour accumulation price candle that we have there, risking around 44 pips to gain 135. With that being said, I mean, that's not overall take profit. My overall take profit is definitely going to be all the way up here, which is my buy for liquidity, which should be a total amount of 263 pips in total. We're only risking 44 to gain 263. So that's a great win to reward ratio, right? So okay, we need to come and cloud this profit over here. Now, the reason why I have my first take profit here is because we still need to come and fill in this empty imbalance that we have in the past, which would be testing into as a accumulation price candle right here. This last bullish candle before the push down. Once that happens, market should retrace down, because we would also be clearing out the old high that we have right here. Every time that we clear a high, what does market do? Tends to push a bit higher, just to fully cloud stops that we live right here from people who got in for selling positions in that overbought area, because that's where retail traders got in for sales. So market's going to push higher to come and test into the accumulation price candle right in this area here to just make that retracement go lower. Right, that doesn't necessarily mean that market's going to spike down. It's just going to give it that small push to the downside to gather and eliminate more retail traders to continue going to the upside and clear out retail traders from this buy sell liquidity. So for GCAT, I mean, that's the first take profit. Overall take profit, I do have it all the way up here, which is around at 277 to 280 pips, which is right there. For those who don't have it, there you go. And I mean, currently right now, those are the only pairs I'm taking a look at. Currently, GU running in profit, so we should definitely see that spike continue to the upside. GA have a buy limit, which should be activated by tonight or London session open in the morning. And GCAT as well, buy a limit, which should also activate tonight during this London session or New York session. But we should definitely see this trade in profits by tomorrow morning. And yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. So make sure to smash that like button down below. Click the link in the description if you want to be taking this fire setup trades alongside me with all my Pittsburgh students. And these aren't the only trades that we take every day. We take a lot more every week, and we gain a lot of profits. Every single week we are profitable no matter what. So with that being said, everybody have a great night, happy weekend, and happy trading to y'all. See you guys on Monday.